we're on our way to get the new animal on the farm. We have Orla in tow, chewing on her bone. We'll update you once we get there. Heading back to the farm now. What are you doing? What are you doing on the driver's seat? Can you see them? Can you see them? Look who it is. Yep, we got pigs. Hey, Piggy Piggy. Oh, you scared? You scared? Piggy Piggy. I'm not sure if they're male or female. Well, we'll find out soon enough. If they're males, they've been castrated, they've been wormed. They're gonna be in for a really fun life, right? We're taking them over the hill and we're putting them in a forested area. It's not really forested, but it's partially forested. We're gonna keep them in the trailer for the time being as shelter. What do you hear, Orla? Hear some strange noises? Unveil the little piggies. The little piggies. Hamlet and Hamilton. Hey, what do you think you are? Hey, piggies. So this is the placement of the pigs. They're gonna stay in the trailer during the night and help us clear all of this. I'm sorry, I'm out of breath. We're trying to clear some of the thorns and such before we let them out coming week. And you can't really see it, but this is a pretty decent hill. So, and I'm out of shape. All right, time to give them their first meal here. Hey, piggy piggies. Oh, you've managed to fit in there. Bon appetit. So we have them in this trailer for the time being. Since they're so small enough for predators, so we want to keep them safe until they get a little bigger. Sorry about the noise, but Jose is clearing some of the brush, the thorny brush. So they're going to help us clear this area. I'm going to turn this into silvopasture. Property goes deep in there. So these guys are going to be a large component in helping us bring this back. Ooh, look at your nose. You guys were hungry, right? In a long trip. You're very friendly. You're very friendly. You got sharp little teeth in there, huh? Ooh. a little shy. You're shy. You the shy guy? Huh? You the shy guy? It's okay, you'll get used to it. So this is the pig's abode. We have 2 of them, both males, Hamilton and Hamlet, as I've shown earlier. And they're too small right now to come out, so we're gonna give it a couple days until they realize that this is a place that they go in to stay warm and dry. And then we're gonna set up an electric fence today in this area. This is what we call chestnut fields. We have chestnut trees lining here, but this at one point was used for cattle, and it's so overgrown. So what we'd like to do is make this into silvopasture, which is basically pasture land with trees. And there's so many invasive weeds and sedge grass, which is that tall stuff here. So the pigs are going to help us plow this up. And we're going to reseed it as we rotate them in different areas. So there's a lot of good stuff in here for them to root out. We also have an apple tree there, so when fall comes around, they'll have some apples, and we also have a ton of blueberries for them to eat. God knows what else. So Jose is just clearing this right now so that I can put the electric fence up. But yeah, the piggies are gonna go to work. They have a very scenic view. They're right at the base of the hill. Our house is right behind that that pine tree. So they're just right over the hill, and the chickens and the geese, you can't see their house because their house is over the hill. But that's their netting. That's their big paddock over there. It's pretty big. So everything's starting to green up. These are hay fields or pastures. Things are starting to come to life. Still looking a little gray and brown, but in a few weeks' time, everything will leaf out. This tree will flower. It'll be beautiful. So yeah, super excited about the pigs. This guy is funny. Make some funky noises, Hamlet. Oh, you frisky. Happy to be out, right? It was raining yesterday. Silly pig. Oh my gosh. Ooh. The other one's still a little shy. And a little afraid. But he'll be okay. He'll make it out. Where's your brother? Yeah, you're like a little dog. A little crazy dog. You're like a little crazy dog. Yeah, you little crazy dog. You little crazy dog. Come on, Pick Pick. Come on. You're like a little puppy. You're like a little puppy.
Pig, 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 pig. Pig, 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 pig. Come here. Come on. Come on. You're so friendly. Yeah, you're so friendly. Ooh, frisky pig. Frisky pig. Crazy. You're crazy. Come on, pig, pig. Come on, pig, pig. Come on, pig, pig. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. There he is. Oh, you're such a good pig. You're such a good pig. You're such a good pig.